Facebook Ads tutorial for 2017. Hello and welcome. In this video session, I'm going to show you how you can utilize Facebook Ads for your business in 2017. When you log into your Facebook account, your ads manager, let's press on Create Campaign. Facebook is making lots of different changes and keeps adding new things, which is a great thing for your business. Your marketing objective can be different according to your objectives. Because many different Rankia fans have different websites and businesses, you may be a local business owner. If that's the case, you may like to explore local awareness as your objective. That does not mean you shouldn't explore different objectives here. So don't never be just thinking to yourself, you know what, I'm a local business owner and I should only focus on local awareness. Makes sense? So you want to bring brand awareness to a wider audience, you want to reach different people, because whether you're a local business owner or not, you should think that you should know that internet offers you global reach. So let's take a look at traffic. Let's say I want to bring website traffic, then I would select that. So the marketing objective is a straightforward process for you to experiment with. Let's select traffic for services as an example, so you can name the campaign anything that you want. Let's say 2017. Let's press on continue. So the objective in this campaign example is that I want to utilize Facebook to bring website traffic. Now you can explore audiences, you can create audiences, lookalike audiences, let Facebook platform look at the Facebook user's profile to create similar audiences. So at the end of the day, it's smart to utilize them. You can, once again, create custom audiences if you want. Okay, let's say test audience. Okay, let's create. Okay, where are we? Create new. Let's press on create new. Custom audience. Let's say website traffic. Okay, Facebook Pixel. Let me show you the Pixel as well. Okay, if you haven't installed Facebook Pixel, let's press on Pixel. Here we have set up Pixel. Copy and paste the code. Let's copy this code to the clipboard. Okay, let's copy this. I'm gonna show you the WordPress version, but if you're using different content management system, all you need to do is locate where the head portion of your HTML is and then paste that pixel code in there. Let's select that. So this is a WordPress site. Let's press on header.php and let me search this page. Okay. All you need to do is locate it has to be placed within the head portion. After this, and before the closing of head. So if you place that anywhere within, as in if you simply paste that pixel code there and then update the file, then your pixel is installed. So I'll log out of that because I've already done that. So inserting pixel is a straightforward process. Okay, I'm not going to cover the event code as well, but now you know how you can easily install your pixel. So let's go to Ads Manager once again. Let's create a campaign. Let's press on traffic. Let's say traffic for 2017 as an example. You can create a new audience now, right? Or, okay, let's take a look at this. Let me remove that location targeting and say, you know what? Just Australia. Target Australia as a country. But once again, let's imagine you're a local business owner. Then you may say, you know what? Australia, Victoria, just Victoria or Melbourne and so on, right? So that option is there for you. Include, exclude locations, you can experiment with that, right? And you can also add bulk locations, copy and paste, and so on. Okay, languages are important. As you can see, English all, English UK or US. So if you're based in US, then perhaps just selecting English US, because that's a little bit different compared to UK or Australia, okay? So let's just select all for English, but if you're located in another country that speaks a different language, then you select that accordingly. Detailed targeting. Now, this is the power of Facebook ads that is absolutely unbelievable, because people share their life stories on Facebook. Makes sense? And Facebook tracks all that, right? They have the algorithms to find out who you are, what you like, what are your interests, who are your friends, and you know, it's unbelievable. That gives you the power to reach the precise audience that you need to grow your business. In my example, let's imagine I want to showcase my search engine optimization services, drive website traffic for that. Or if I think, you know what, I'd like to, share a content on my site and bring website traffic accordingly and so on, right? It's totally up to you to experiment with the options here. But detailed targeting is absolutely brilliant. You can definitely learn more about it if you want to, truly understand how interest-based advertising really works on internet. Let's imagine that I think to myself, all right, you know what? Let's press on demographics, say, the type of audience that who's going to log into Facebook that I'd like to, bring to my website. Let's imagine education. Let's press on schools and so on. That's powerful, right? And the fact that people give this information to Facebook basically allows you to, target that. Even take a look at this. Makes sense? Like, that's the power of Facebook ads that you need to definitely explore. I can't tell you exactly which one, but let's imagine I'd like to target employers. Makes sense? Instead of employees. So I want to target business owners. Well, yes, they are employers. Employers of what? Maya, a big department store in Melbourne. Makes sense? So just imagine the power of this. So really go in there and start spend at least 10-15 minutes to really target the people that you need to showcase your businesses. Job titles: managers, assistant manager, general managers, all is there for you to experiment with. And if it's there for you, then you definitely need to experiment with it. Let's imagine small business. Here we have people telling Facebook, you know what, they are interested in small business, as we can see. But some of the Facebook users say, you know what, no, my job title is a small business owner. Well, that's exactly who I need to grow rank SEO services with, right? And that's what I choose, small business owners. Yeah, I'd select all of these because it's to do with small business and self-employed. Brilliant. Makes sense? So that's what you need to do as well for your business. I don't know who your target audience is, but Facebook does. Facebook knows who they are. And it gives you the option to show your ads just to those people. If that's the case, that's what you do. Show your ads just to those people. So let's leave that aside. You kind of now understand the power of it and importance of it. Instead of showing your ads to everyone. That would never be smart. Connections, you can experiment with this. People who like your page, or friends or people who like the page, and so on, right? Placement, it's smart to let Facebook algorithms work this out, particularly at the beginning, but you can always select different options. Let's imagine your target audience is rather young people. Young people love to use Instagram. I have children who are teenagers and they just love Instagram, right? Because that's what they do. They interact with their friends, schoolmates, and all that through Instagram. So if your target audience is young citizens, then perhaps you think to yourself, you know what? Audience network, no, I want to choose Instagram. Some of these will be available, some of these may not. But at the end of the day, you can either choose automatic placement, let Facebook work all that out, or you say, you know what, no, I want to go deeper, say just mobile, knowing that your target audience is using mobile more so than desktop. Then you have that option there, okay? Daily budget. Or you can have lifetime budget. You say, you know what, let me experiment $50 worth or $100 worth for that campaign to see what happens, to see the results that I'm getting. And then you can say lifetime budget. Don't worry about what Facebook shows you there, because you are in control of what you advertise. You can schedule it, really it's saying, you know what, nah, for that go 155 minimum for these dates. As you can see, that's 1 month time, right? I can say, you know what, no, I just want to run the campaign till the 31st of December. Then you can go back and minimize the lifetime budget. It's always going to give you hints and so on. So that will depend on your investment budget. You can always schedule things, and let's say, you know what, no, daily budget. Facebook is affordable. I'm paying $2 per day. And if I don't have $2 per day to grow my Facebook business page, then maybe I shouldn't be using Facebook business page. So daily budget can be set according to your daily budget as well. Once again, experiment with lifetime budget at the beginning so that you don't forget things. Because if you choose daily budget and something happens and you go for a holiday for 3 months, then that daily budget will be occurring all the time. But once again, you can always schedule things here, okay? Let's imagine I want to run that ad for 2 weeks only. Now then, I can invest $100 or even less. Okay, let's say, $70. Let's leave it at that. Here we have optimization for ad delivery. You can say link clicks or impressions or daily unique reach. Which one you should choose? It's smart to perhaps select recommended settings. You can definitely read more about it. For impressions, it's just what Facebook shows. Whether people click or not, you'll still incur fees and so on. Link clicks is smart because that's what you want. You want to drive website traffic. When people click, you pay Facebook, or Facebook charges you and so on, right? Bid amount, You can enter manual bids if you want, but it's smart to let Facebook algorithms work all this out for you, because it takes in other advertising, what they're bidding and all that stuff, right? When you get charged, whether it's for impressions or clicks, that option is available. You definitely can read more about it. I'm not going to cover every single one of them, or else we'll be here 20 million years, okay? Ad scheduling. Let's take a look at this. Most pay-per-click advertising platforms on internet, such as Google AdWords and Facebook ads, allow you to schedule when your ads are shown. Now, this becomes absolutely critical, particularly for local businesses. Meaning, you don't want someone 3 in the morning clicking on your ads if you're a local business owner. Make sense? So then ad scheduling is great for you to say, you know what, my target audience will be searching for my products and services, or they'll be logging into their Facebook profiles between 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. and so on. Or you may even say, you know what, I'm targeting managers, and between 12 till 2 they may be having their lunch, so I don't want to show my ads to them at that time. Or you may say, I just want to show my ads to them at that time only. Ad scheduling is for that, whether it's Facebook or Google AdWords, okay? It definitely needs to be explored as you grow your online business. You can then set ad name, ad set name. Okay, let's say Victoria 2017. And let's continue. Here, look at the options available for you. I remember once upon a time, I was creating my own images using Adobe Illustrator. But now, in 2017, you have free stock images. That means you don't even have to worry about creating unique images. You can search free stock images. And look how professional these images are. Let's select a few of them just to demonstrate. That one, let's select that one. Let's select this one, looks reasonable. Okay, gesture of a handshake and so on. You can select, as you can see, up to 6. It's smart to utilize different images when the options are available for you. So let's select some images and let's select done. Now, okay, here let's imagine on the mobile this is how it's going to look. On desktop newsfeed this is how it's going to look. Services, I don't know. Let's remove that image. As you can see, you can always change things. So don't be shy to experiment with certain settings. When you see icons like this, experiment with it. Delete it, crop it, and whatnot, right? Now, destination. Okay, where are we? Headline. As you're creating the ad, it's going to update and show you exactly how it's going to look. Okay, that was for demonstration purposes. Now, I don't know what business you're in, but what I can tell you is this as an important factor. Talk directly, as in you're talking to your ideal audience, potential customers, one-to-one. Because that's what they do. When they go on Facebook to socialize, they don't have 20 people doing the same thing on the same profile. Instead, they're logged in, they're immersed by themselves. So therefore, you target that human being. You communicate directly as to what your products, what your services, the difference offers to them. Headline can be, in this example, let's say I want to bring website traffic. What is the difference of my service? Find out, let's imagine, 21,000. Find out why 21,000 subscribers like Rankia, and so on, right? So I'm creating this video on the fly, so to speak, right? I do that now in 2017 instead of writing all the, scripts as to the video content that I create on Rankia. Now find out why 2010 doesn't make sense. Here's 90% cheaper online marketing or SEO service as an example, right? Text. Okay, let's imagine as an example. Website URL. Let's place that in there. Now, this is the ad that will be shown to all those settings that I've created previously. Call to action. You have many different call to actions, and look how great this is, right? If you got a PDF to download, perhaps call to action can be that. Learn more. In this example, may be ideal, so I select that. Description for newsfeed. But let's have a look. Let's have a look. You can hover over it. Okay. Display link. Newsfeed as a sample. Description. Let's have a look. Because I'm targeting small business owners in this example, small business owners, let's have a look. Free website traffic as an example. Makes sense? So every time you make changes here, it'll be reflected here, and you can experiment as to how certain things look. Perhaps on Instagram feed, this is how it's going to look, so you can craft your ads accordingly. Here, and here. Okay, you can track. I'm not going to cover track conversions. If you want me to create a different video for tracking conversions and all this stuff, then please do comment on this video. All you now have to do is review the order. This is how it's gonna look. This is the budget. This is the settings. This is who I'm advertising to and for. These are the images that will be used. These are the text, headline, and all that stuff. And then it's just a matter of placing an order. And then Facebook will then approve your ad and start showing according to the settings you've set up. Facebook is a great platform because now you see how powerful it is by choosing those settings. Nonetheless, utilize it to grow your Facebook business page or achieve different objectives. If you benefited from this video session, please do give it a like and subscribe to Rankia YouTube channel, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.